Hello, this is Carter Cartoons, and I'm gonna do a perspective drawing of the snow leopard. So I'm gonna start off with the head, and the ears. No, that's not quite. These are too small. Well, of course, snow leopard's ears are small, but they're not like pointy like I had here. It's mostly like broad ears. And draw the sides. Crack myself here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the back of the snow leopard. This was it's too arched. Yep. And the tail, which is gonna stretch out to be on the notebook because it's a long tail. Then going to draw his paws because they have giant paws. Nah, it doesn't look right. The other paws, as you can see here, the other paws sticking up over the other one. And then I'm going to draw his arm because he's laying down. Then I'm going to draw their legs. And erase that a little. Yeah, that's better. Then I'm going to draw. Yep. Maybe the leg doesn't look right. This is a challenge for me because I'm currently holding the phone with my left hand and trying to draw my right hand. I definitely need a camera if I can afford one. Then I'm going to draw the face. Then I'm going to try to draw its fur. It's not the best for drawing, obviously. It's a very furry animal. Just let me erase some of its fur. Doesn't look that bad. Definitely looks more like a lion than a leopard, but it's a snow leopard, so then I'm going to try to do some soft drawing cuts. Go do some shading. Because there's certain parts of the body is darker than others. Obviously, if any leopard, of course, you have to draw their spots. The spots are kind of varied all over the body. The spots on its head are smaller than the ones on the wrist. Of course, he has there's bigger spots on his back. Well, I tried. It's, like I said before, currently holding this phone in my hand while I'm trying to draw. Definitely need a camera. So let me know in the comment section what you think. And feel free to criticize my somewhat resembled art or something. Okay.